Hey y'all, it's been a while since the last video. We've been pretty busy here in Auckland. Last time we spoke, we were in Wellington and we made the trip over to Auckland, and we've been here in the downtown area, the central business district, in an apartment complex called the Pacifica. It's been wonderful. We're on the 34th floor here, and I just figured I'd give you a tour. We're moving to a different apartment. We started in a 2-bedroom apartment and only need a 1-bedroom, but we had to pay for the 2-bedroom, and now we're wanting to move to a 1-bedroom. So that one opened up and we're transitioning there for another 10 days. Still in the same building, but the next one's on the 16th floor and it's facing in a different direction. So we'll get to see the full view of this building. Let me show you around. Right now I'm sitting in the living room, kitchen area. You got full window views of the city. This is to the south. There's the Sky Tower. We got office buildings and residential buildings around us. So here in the kitchen, we have a full setup. We have an oven, a dishwasher, an espresso machine, kettle, knives, double sink. Got plates and bowls and glasses and champagne glasses. There's trash under here. We have a full-size refrigerator in here. That's pretty nice. On the other side, we've got a microwave, more storage space, toaster, milk frother, kitchen utensil storage. It's been just like living at home. Over here, past the kitchen, is where I've been spending most of my time this week. We've been busy. I've been working on video. The last video that I uploaded, the Northern Explorer Scenic Plus train video. Took me a long time to edit that. That was all done in here. And I got to enjoy this view. There's a port out here that unloads cars all day. It's been fun to watch. They're not working today, I guess. We've found some excellent restaurants down. We're on the 34th floor, so quite a view. Some excellent restaurants downtown. We went to a sushi place at the Sky Tower. There's a little Greek takeaway restaurant across the street. There's a New York pizzeria down here. Lots of good options. But this deck area is an enclosed balcony. The windows open up. Won't do it because it's pretty rainy and cold, but you can open up that window just a little bit. And from the inside here, you can close this, which I did when I was working in the mornings. Ari was still asleep and I needed to be listening to my video editing. Another view of the main room. 2 couches, TV, fancy glass table, and quite a view. So let's check out the hallway. There's a lot of storage space, but in this one we have washer dryer combo. It's a 2-bedroom, so here's the entrance on the right. On the left we have bedroom number 1. They're queen beds, bedside table, a little artwork. This one's kind of a memory foam bed. Big floor to ceiling windows, quite a view. This window opens up also. Lots of storage space. These are pretty deep. Goes all the way to my elbow. Drawers here. Got 4 of those. If you need to hang your clothing, that's on this side. We used this bedroom for most of the nights that we were here. The first night we stayed in the other room, but that bed's not as good. Show this other bedroom. This one is a little bigger. The windows are not floor to ceiling. But this bed feels like a mattress topper on top of springs. You can hear the springs when you're laying in bed. It's pretty annoying. Got your hanging storage in there. Again, the drawers, more shelving, more shelving. So there is a ton of storage in here. 2 bedside tables, queen bed, little artwork, and a mirror. Last but not least, the bathroom. The shower is walk-in. It's pretty nice. They have shampoo, conditioner, body wash on the wall there. So that's the tour of our 34th floor apartment here at the Pacifica. It was a wonderful stay here, but we're excited to go check out the other side of the building and see views from that way. These windows were all looking south, and in this new room, we're going to be looking north. So we'll have views of the water, and we'll give a tour of that one. We'll combine it all in here in this video. Thanks for watching. All right, we're in our new unit. This one's pretty crazy. It looks like they gave us another 2 bedroom. Maybe the 1 bedroom wasn't available, but we already paid for a 1 bedroom, so oh well.
Hi everyone, welcome. This is another apartment that we're staying at the Pacifica. This one is on the 16th floor, and it has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. So let me show you. When you enter, you have a bathroom right here, which is nice because it's a full bathroom. You got your shower, your toilet, as well as what I think is very necessary when you're traveling is a washer and a dryer. Now the other one, we only had a washer dryer combo, so this is gonna be really nice to be able to do more than 1 load at a time. It still has those great storage for you for all your things. So that's a nice addition. Now, if we just walk over here, you'll see that we have a great view of the ocean and the harbor, which is amazing. Very open, very nice. And if we come over here, you'll see the kitchen. So just your regular kitchen, you know, you have your dishwasher, your stove, and your fridge, which is nice and hidden. A lot of storage for all your things right here, as well as a microwave, toaster, a coffee maker, which is always necessary. And if we continue this way, you will be in one of the bedrooms. Now, this is a queen bed here, and it has also a okay view of just some buildings. If you really wanted to, I guess you could open it all up and see the ocean as well from here. So a lot of light here in this room. A lot of storage, just like the other apartment. It also has some cabinetry up there. Now over here, we have the dining area, which they call this an enclosed balcony. As you would have seen, it has all of the glass around it, which is really nice. The view, again, just beautiful from here. Right now it's kind of cloudy though, unfortunately. Today is a very windy and rainy day. It has an exit through here, which brings you back to the living room. Now onto the other side of the apartment. This side has more storage. Some of our stuff already in there, but as you can see, it's very deep, so you can really put a lot of stuff in here if you lived here. And they put these storage areas everywhere they can, even in this little area, so they really do maximize their storage as much as possible. Here we have a office nook area, which also has that beautiful view of the harbor, and the master bedroom. Turn on the lights for you all. So this is a king bed that comes with this master right here. Again, nice view, bringing a lot of light into the room. And then over here we have the master closet. Again, lots of good space. I already put some stuff in there. Your luggage. Big hanging space. And then over here is the master bathroom. It's just like the other bathroom. You have your shower, your toilet, your sink, as well as all this great space for you to store your bathroom things. Oh, also forgot to show in the other bathroom that you also have this space down here where they have the toilet paper and some towels for you. Something that is nice and unique to New Zealand is that every bathroom that we've been to also has a good towel rack that heats up your towels. This one specifically is pretty big. And this towel rack is also in the other one. And some more space here for the closet. Again, very deep, lots of good storage there. So that's the master bedroom and the apartment. Again, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, lots of space, lots of great views from every bedroom, living room, dining room. Very excited to be here for the next 10 days at the Pacifica. Also included at the Pacifica is you get to use the pool, the sauna, the steam room, the gym. Sorry, they have a lot of amenities and I'm trying to remember them all. They have a library as well, a cinema, and I feel like I'm forgetting something else. I think like a study room of some sort that you can use as well. But something that's really great too is that you can go downstairs and there's a cafe that you don't even have to really walk very far to get to. You just walk out the door, the side door, and you're there at this beautiful, delicious Italian cafe. So it's a really great location and a great apartment to stay at. If you're gonna be here in Auckland, definitely recommend it. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour, and see you guys later.